Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, so I got a hold of a GoPro Hero 7 and I am doing a side-by-side test of the Hero 7 and the Osmo Pocket. I'm hitting some really bumpy roads on my bike and I'm going to see which one ends up better. I cannot do a test of both of them facing me because the GoPro is permanently mounted and I don't have any way to swivel it back and forth. The Osmo, you just push a button and it flips around. Actually, you push it 3 times and it flips around. So I can get good talking shots with the Osmo. Plus, frankly, the mic on the Osmo is a lot better than the GoPro without an external. So yeah, this is that test. GoPro 7 versus Osmo Pockets. To the death! So I broke out my Hero 5 just so I can give you guys so you can see how much jitter these things have on these roads, on this road. Look at that. So now I have the Osmo connected to the Junetech shock mount, which is essentially a Z-axis.
Shut up and sit down.
So that's it. Let me know in the comments which one you think did a better job of stabilizing the footage. The GoPro Hero 7 4K 30 frames per second in hypersmooth, or the DJI Osmo Pocket with its gimbal also in 4K 30 frames per second. And as always, like, follow, share, and subscribe. Until next time.